Chris from Tyre Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Pulsar C12 Triple S hatch. Stock reference number 3853. The shape runs from the 5th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an MR16 DDT, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. MR16 DDT, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front. We have the right hand headlight to be confirmed on damage, right hand fog light, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, both xenon. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, indicator type. Left door has one small dent, tidy left hand sill skirt. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Spoiler type, suit Triple S. Right hand tail light in good condition. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand sill skirt does have a light rash on the side. Still may be usable. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, indicator type. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.